Garlic and tomato sauce recipe. 2 pounds ripe tomatoes, chopped, 4 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. 1. In a saucepan, combine the chopped tomatoes, minced garlic, white vinegar, sugar, and salt. 2. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. 3. Allow the tomatoes to break down and the flavors to melt, simmering for about 30 to 40 minutes until the mixture thickens. 4. Use an immersion blender or transfer the mixture to a blender and blend until smooth. 5. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or solids, if desired. 6. Return the strained ketchup to the saucepan and continue simmering until it reaches your desired thickness. 7. Allow the garlic tomato ketchup to cool completely before transferring it to a sterilized jar or bottle. 8. Refrigerate and use within a few weeks. Enjoy your homemade garlic tomato ketchup. I hope you liked this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comments section.